Hello, all my little children. Teacher's back again to see you all, and I know you all are also waiting for teacher. Yes, I can see all your pretty smiley faces. You know, children, I am come here back today to make you smile again. And you know what? We are going to meet someone also who has come to meet you. So, would you like to meet that friend? Yes. Okay, see who has come today. Hello, this is Priya. Can we all say hi to Priya? Hello, friends. Hello, how are you all? I am very happy to see you all. Okay, it's so lovely to meet Priya here. Can we all say hi, children, to Priya? Yes. Okay, now Priya has a small story to tell you all. Do you want to listen to Priya's story? Yes. So let's listen. Okay, now what happened, it was Priya's holidays. Means she had summer vacations. Like you all have summer vacations, right? So she also had summer vacations. And in that summer vacation, she went to picnic. Where did she go? Picnic with her mummy and daddy. I know you all also love to go to the picnic, right? So she also went. And when Priya went to the picnic, it was a beautiful big garden. And then garden, what did she see? You want to see? Yes, so let's see. She saw a beautiful tree and there were beautiful grasses, and you know what, there was a lovely nice clean stream. So what is a stream? It is a small little river which was flowing in the garden, and beside that stream there was a cute little boat. Can you all see this boat? Yes. So now Mona was very excited to see the boat and she wanted to ride the boat. So how will she ride the boat? She has to row the boat. How will she move the boat? She has to row the boat. So let's see how Mona rows the boat. Row, 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 row. So this is the way Mona rows her boat. Do you want to listen what did Mona sing while she was rowing the boat? Yes. So we are going to listen that rhyme. Are you all ready? Yes. So let's sing with Mona. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Hey, isn't it lovely? But we will do with actions. Yes, get set. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Wow, it is a lovely rhyme. Yes, and Mona enjoyed the ride on her boat. So are you also ready to ride on the boat and row your boat? Yes? So come on. All of you jump and stand up quickly and repeat after teacher. Right. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yes? So can we all clap hands for this lovely rhyme? Yes. So was this ride on the boat really very enjoyable? You all enjoyed? Yes. Can we all give thumbs up and say bye to Mona? Bye friends. I hope you all have enjoyed with me. Yes. So it's time to say bye-bye to Mona and bye-bye to teacher. So bye children. I will meet you again with one more new rhyme. Till then, bye-bye.